a stranger in my own home. Look in the mirror, who do I see? Someone who's lost or just being me. Why do I wonder? Why do I roam? Seeking a reason through the echoes of my phone. Ilocano Mix Club. What was I made for? What's my role? Am I the captain or just a soul? Caught in the riddle of life's parade, trying to figure out why was I made. Life keeps on moving whether I try, flying like kites in an open sky. Some days I'm strong, most times I'm weak, still searching for the one answer I seek. What was I made for? What's my game? Am I a flicker or burning flame? Trapped in the puzzle, the masquerade, hoping to find out why was I made. In the chaos there's a hint of peace, like a whisper in the wild release. Maybe the journey's enough to know that through the questions we learn to grow. Ilocano Mix Club. What was I made for? What's my role? Am I the captain or just a soul? Caught in the riddle of life's parade, trying to figure out why was I made. In the chaos there's a hint of peace, like a whisper in the wild release. Maybe the journey's enough to know that through the questions we learn to grow. Ilocano Mix Club.